In this flipped classroom, I would like you to learn about warranties. So when you open the slide, click on, when you open the document in PowerPoint, click on Slideshow and hit Play from Start. I would like you to go through each of these slides as you determine if a warranty or guarantee is worth it on the things that you buy. When you come to class on Monday, I would like you to be able to understand what the right to redress means and be able to talk about the Warranty Act of 1975. I would also like you to be able to understand what an extended warranty is versus a regular warranty, and choose one product that you think you would want to have a warranty on, and be ready to discuss why a warranty on your product would be a good investment. Thanks so much. I'll see you Monday.